Fancy lockpick sets are very expensive and hard to find, so I'm going to show you a way to make your own very cheaply with a hacksaw blade. These are about 75 cents each for the cheap ones, and the cheap ones are better for this. So you break this in half and get two of these, and they have holes on them so you can put them on a keychain or something. Alright, and then you need and some water and safety goggles. This is always good. Okay, so I've only got one hand to do this with, so I'll just show you real quick what it's like. Now, as you can see, I made a good indentation, and doing that for about 10 minutes, you can successfully make any shape you want. So it's pretty cool. So you can make various shapes that'll fit, and they're very strong and extremely disposable. So if you break one, you can just make another very easily, which is pretty cool. So that's a make picks out of hacksaw blades. You can also make the torque wrench. This isn't from a hacksaw blade, but you can make it. You need a torch or some other source of heat to bend the blade, and I'll show you that later. But for now, let's see if these work to open locks. This is a new lock I bought. You'll see me opening it in one of my other videos. So let's see if it works. Okay, I'm going to use this one, which I made out of a hacksaw blade, which much resembles this, which is stainless steel. I bought this, but it was a lot more expensive. This is cool, so we'll see if this one works. And this. Here we go. That's pretty cool, so let's try another one. How about this? This resembles one of the other picks that I had, and it broke. It's expensive to replace, but if I break this one, I can just make another, which is pretty cool. So let's try it. There we go. Okay, one more, just to finish up. I'll use this one, which resembles a snake pick, which is pretty cool. Snake pick is my favorite, so I like making this one. Should work pretty well. Oh, yeah, that's good stuff. Okay, so as you can see, these picks work very well, and they're extremely cheap, about 75 cents for a hacksaw blade. Buy them in a pack of 4, probably $3. Good stuff.